Hey guys, James here. Just a quick video showing you how to make the edges of Windows sticky in KDE. So as you can see, I have two windows open, and if I adjust one window, the other doesn't resize, so you have to adjust them separately, which is kind of a pain in the butt. So how do we make the edges sticky like in Windows 10? It's actually pretty easy. Just search um, kwin. Open this. Now get new scripts and search sticky. It's already there. Right. Okay, you want to install this. I already installed it. So let's install it again. Now we've installed it, so close. And you want to check this checkbox and apply. Okay, that's it. Now the edges of Windows are sticky. So, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.